Use the link on download page to open OpalOPC in Microsoft Store. Select Get to start installation. This may take a while. Once the installation is complete, select Open to start OpalOPC right away. You can find the graphical interface in your application library. To use the command line interface, open the shell of your choice and use Command OpalOPC.